Good morning, Donites. Today is 31st of October, Sunday, and birthday of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, who was given the title Iron Man of India for his exemplary role in the unification of India soon after we got independence from the Britishers in the year 1947. Let's start the beautiful day with a prayer.
हे शारदे माँ, हे शारदे माँ, हे शारदे माँ, हे शारदे माँ, अज्ञानता से हमें तार दे माँ, अज्ञानता से हमें तार दे माँ, हे शारदे माँ, हे शारदे माँ, हे शारदे माँ, हे शारदे माँ। तू स्वर की देवी, ये संगीत तुझसे, हर शब्द तेरा, हर गीत तुझसे। तू स्वर की देवी, ये संगीत तुझसे, हर शब्द तेरा, ये हर गीत तुझसे। हम हैं अकेले, हम हैं अधूरे, हम हैं अकेले, हम हैं अधूरे। तेरी शरण हम, हमें तार दे माँ, तेरी शरण हम, हमें तार दे माँ। हे शारदे माँ, हे शारदे माँ, हे शारदे माँ, हे शारदे माँ। अज्ञानता से हमें तार दे माँ, अज्ञानता से हमें तार दे माँ। हे शारदे माँ, 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 हे शारदे माँ।
भारत के लौह पुरुष के सम्मान में हम सबको प्रतिज्ञा लेनी चाहिए कि हम उनके द्वारा बताए गए सिद्धांतों पर चलेंगे। तो मेरे प्रिय विद्यार्थियों, चलो प्रतिज्ञा लेते हैं। इसके लिए आपको अपना दाहिना हाथ आगे करना पड़ेगा और मेरे बताए गए वाक्य को दोहराना पड़ेगा। चलो शुरू करते हैं। मेरे प्रिय विद्यार्थियों, चलो प्रतिज्ञा लेते हैं। मैं सत्यनिष्ठा से शपथ लेता हूँ,
मैं सत्यनिष्ठा से शपथ लेता हूँ
कि मैं राष्ट्र की एकता, अखंडता और सुरक्षा को बनाए रखने के लिए
कि मैं राष्ट्र की एकता, अखंडता और सुरक्षा को बनाए रखने के लिए
स्वयं को समर्पित करूँगा
स्वयं को समर्पित करूँगा
और अपने देशवासियों के बीच ये संदेश फैलाने का भी भरसक प्रयत्न करूँगा
और अपने देशवासियों के बीच ये संदेश फैलाने का भी भरसक प्रयत्न करूँगा।
मैं ये शपथ अपने देश की एकता की भावना से ले रहा हूँ,
मैं ये शपथ अपने देश की एकता भावना से ले रहा हूँ,
जिसे सरदार वल्लभ भाई पटेल की दूरदर्शिता एवं कार्यों द्वारा संभव बनाया जा सका।
जिसे सरदार वल्लभ भाई पटेल की दूरदर्शिता एवं कार्यों द्वारा संभव बनाया जा सका।
मैं अपने देश की आंतरिक सुरक्षा सुनिश्चित करने के लिए अपना योगदान करने का भी सत्यनिष्ठा से संकल्प करता हूँ।
मैं अपने देश की आंतरिक सुरक्षा सुनिश्चित करने के लिए अपना योगदान करने का भी सत्यनिष्ठा से संकल्प करता हूँ।
धन्यवाद।
धन्यवाद।
We should feel proud that The tallest statue of the world is in India. Do you know where the statue is? And whose statue is it? Keep thinking. Sangeet Sharma ma'am will share a few important facts about it. Listen to it carefully. That is going to enhance your information.
Good morning, children. Let's learn interesting facts on Statue of Unity. The Statue of Unity is a colossal statue of Indian statesman and independence activist Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel ji, who was the first Deputy Prime Minister and Home Minister of independent India and the chief adherent of Mahatma Gandhi during the non-violent Indian independence movement. The statue is located in the state of Gujarat. It is the world's tallest statue with a height 182 meters. It is located in a river facing the Sardar Sarovar Dam on the river Narmada. It took 57 months to complete the construction of the statue and is inaugurated by our Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi on 31st October 2018 on the 143rd birth anniversary of Sardar Patel. The total height of structure is 240 meters with a base 58 meters and the statue of 182 meters. The height 182 was specifically chosen to match the number of seats in the Gujarat Legislative Assembly. That's all by me. Thank you and have a wonderful day.
Haryana Day is observed on 1st of November. On this day, our state in the year 1966 was carved out from Punjab and Chandigarh was made the common capital. I hope you all know it. Yashasvi of class 9 will share extra facts about Haryana which I think you all should know it. So let's listen to her together.
Good morning, everyone. Today, I, Yashasvi of class 9B, is going to throw up some light on Haryana Day. One of the many festivals that keeps the state of Haryana in a festive spirit almost all the time is the Haryana Day. This day is celebrated to commemorate the day when the state Haryana was carved out of Punjab in 1966. This year, in 2021, the 55th Haryana Day will be celebrated all over the state on 1st November. But how do we celebrate this day? During Haryana Day, there are cycle rallies as well as rally cum race. This helps from Chandigarh to Panchkula town. All the people and the riders participate enthusiastically, and there is a cheer and rejoicing on the streets all over the Haryana. The day of Haryana Day festival also marks the Pakwan Pratiyogita that is held at the most of the tourist complexes. There are also blood donation camps and other run for fun events at Haryana Day. There are also musical performances during evening that held almost in all the complexes. There is a cheerful mood and a beautiful sight that adds the flavor to this day. Hope you would mark the importance of this day. Thank you.
Neeraj Chopra, the golden boy who won gold medal in javelin throw. This is the latest news. And Sakshi Malik, Dangal girls, hockey players. You may be thinking why I am telling you a list of common and famous players. Because These all belong to our state, Haryana. Haryana is regarded as the cradle of sports. Many players have evolved from here and made our country proud. And more information will be shared by Samaira Thakur of class 9th. Let's see what she has special for us.
Good morning, everyone. This is Samaira Thakur of class 9th A, and today I'm going to speak on the topic Haryana is regarded as cradle of various sports. The state's domination in sports is somehow linked to the majority of its people's collective preference for a robust physique that helps them work the fields under a sweltering sun, get jobs in the military, and indulge in supporting activities, more likely wrestling. Experts say wrestling has always been an integral part of rural Haryana, where grapplers in loin cloths competed in for prizes that varied from a fistful of cash or a pot of ghee to nothing but village pride in dangals or local competitions held in red dirt rings. It's the army that laid the foundation of agrarian Haryana to turn into the country's sports nursery. Before the Green Revolution in 1970s that made the state one of the top crop producers, hundreds of able-bodied Haryanvis joined the army and paramilitary forces to supplement their family income, and some of these soldiers eventually became national and international athletes with the military patronage. The army continues to do its bit to this day. Thank you.
On this special day, I want to request you all, my dear students, that to become a responsible citizen, you need to be aware of your duties. We are aware of your rights, but not of your duties. So become a responsible citizen by following the duties properly. Obey traffic lights, obey the rule of the land, and then our nation will become on the top of the chart. Okay? Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.